Hi everyone and welcome to today's episode. In this interview, I am sitting down with someone who has an incredible impact on my life, that is my father. He lived through so much and has some fascinating stories to share about. Today we are going to talk about some of his significant moments from his past. Dad, thanks for joining me.
Welcome.
Dad, it's great to have you here. Let's start by going a bit back. Can you share a memory from your childhood that had a great impact on you?
Yes, when we were studying in class 5, at that time, school inspector used to visit periodically in the school to find out how the school is going about, whether children are coming to school or not, teachers are coming regularly to school or not, whether they are teaching or not. So one day our school inspector, Mr. Om Prakash, had come and he was telling the children about his life and journey, and he had during the discussion he told that he was trying for becoming an IS and PCS, but finally he became basic education officer, and that was also a prestigious job. So from that day onwards we also started dreaming of becoming like our school education inspector, and becoming a successful person in life.
That's a great memory, and it sounds like that influenced your hands on approach to life. What do you think that lesson taught you about how to handle challenges as you grew older?
As I was the eldest son of my parent, I was taking responsibility from the childhood. Remember one thing, they never ever run from challenges. Try to accept challenges as an opportunity, and then you will become a successful person. The great example of this taking challenges as opportunity is our present Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji. When Atal Bihari Vajpayee was Prime Minister in the year 2000, a disastrous earthquake came in the Kutch of Gujarat. There was hue and cry all around. Then Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji assigned the Modi ji the task of bringing back the situation to normal, providing the immediate relief to the needy people. Sri Narendra Modi ji took this as opportunity and went to Gujarat, and when the election took place in the Gujarat, after that BJP won by a huge majority and Sri Narendra Modi ji became Chief Minister of the Gujarat. And after that he never turned back, and you can see now he is the present minister, third time Prime Minister of the India, and this is because of the his great quality that he took every challenges as an opportunity. So never run away from challenges.
Okay, looking back at your life, is there one experience re- you would say really shaped you, who you are as a person now?
Yes, presently I am an engineer working in NTPC Limited, and the transformation by which I become an engineer, when we completed our class 12 examination and took admission in BSc first year, we were in dilemma whether to prepare for engineering examination, becoming an engineer, or completing BSc and then preparing for UPSC and PCS examination. One day my colleague and my senior Mr. Hariram Bhai came. He told me one thing, that Mr. Ramtol, I have seen Many students preparing for UPSC and PCS examination for more than 5 to 6 years in Allahabad, and they could not become an IS and PCS. So, if you are confident enough that you will clear the engineering entrance examination, then please try for engineering, and after engineering also you can become an ISPCS. That thought of my colleague transformed my life. From that day I started preparing for an engineering entrance examination. I cleared examination, pursued my degree, and presently I am an engineer.
It sounds like that was a transformative time for you. Do you think that experience is why you have always encouraged me to step outside my own comfort zone?
Yes, remember again one thing in life, that the person who try to live in comfort zone, they do not learn anything. And if you not learn anything, you will not able to face challenges. In Hindi there is a famous quotation that कुएं के मेढक को वही उसकी दुनिया लगती है, because the frog did not came out of his comfort zone. Once you will come out of your comfort zone, you will see the world differently, you will face the challenges differently, and you will become surely a success person in your life. So always come out of your comfort zone to complete any task, to complete any activity, whether it is easy or difficult.
Okay. What would you say is the most important lesson you have learned from